So guys, today I'm doing a new one. Just make this today. Today. He's gonna say hi to the audience. Hi.
I'm gonna put it on this wheel.
So first, take these make the tail your food. And then
Yes, I do.
this is the easy
Turn my camera. Or then put it down.
I'm recording a video.
Look,
Yourself.
How to make an orange chicken.
look how cute it looks.
Sorry guys, my turn.
Are you talking to somebody on there?
No, I'm recording.
That's what I do.
Recording a YouTube video.
Yeah, I don't know that your mom wants you to do that.
My mom says it's okay.
You sure you tell me to do it?
Yeah, it's okay to record videos.
I don't think so.
That's why I have a YouTube channel, Grandma, to record videos.
Does your mother know you have one?
Yes.
Look how cute she looks.
I
Is that a cute cat? Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, Caitlin, yeah. Okay. So, that's how you record.
Look at